So I'm going to give this a whirl and try out these. I got this. My daughter bought this and then she didn't want it. So it doesn't look like there's a lot in there. So let's see what we can get out of it. See how this works in the hair. It's got a little cushion in here. I think the way you're supposed to do it is just, well, let me just try it one. I mean, these chalks dry out my hair, but let's see what happens. Okay, well, that's interesting. The silver faded out, and you can see that blonde coming through. See how this goes. Let me pull out a little bit. So I have the purple, the pink, I got the blue, and I have the green. Oh, let's see how this goes. All right, so let me take this one that didn't get any color in it. And let's try see what happens with the pink. I can't let this get into my eyes because my eyes are dried out, and this just, that's what happened last time. My eyes were burning. Let's try underneath and try this purple. I mean blue. Woo. Oh, it's not bad. Try some of the green. Whoa. Look at that. But you can see how it like dries out my hair. It makes my hair so dry. You know what? I have some orange left. I'm gonna try put that orange underneath. And then look at your hands. I might get it all over my face too. You need a hard surface to put under it. And then you just slide. I don't think, let me try that again. The orange was finishing, so that might be why it's not. See, it's like half done. Not sure why I'm not getting any color out of it though. I mean, there is some. No, I'm not really getting the orange out much. Did it on the wrong side. Gotta hold it right. My eyes already starting to burn me. Then I'm gonna take the black and start putting that in here. So I'm thinking about, I was thinking about bleaching my hair for Halloween, but I did call L'Oreal and Got2b, and I got the L'Oreal coupons, but I still didn't get the Got2b coupons, and I was thinking of going with a dusty mauve. So I was thinking of trying that out before bleaching out my hair out. So with L'Oreal, I could just get conditioners, but with Got2b, the coupons are very specific, so it's for a hair color, and then they sent me one for a conditioner. It was supposed to be for hair color and a conditioner, and they only sent me for the conditioner, which didn't equal the value of what I bought. Because once I bleach my hair, I don't want to go dark again. I'm not gonna go with these store-bought dyes anymore. Gonna use eyeshadow or paintbrush actually, and go in like this and see if that helps. It's really hard to use. You need a hard surface to get these to really like get into the hair. See, like here, I'm using my own scalp as the hard surface to put this dark color in, but like that orange with that, it's not working very well. Okay. Oh, that's a little better. Anyway, I think my daughter got these at Walmart. HJ, I think. HH. Hot Juez. But I know Walmart sells these things, and now that it's Halloween, you know, you probably got a good chance of getting them. That's the only thing I don't like about my hair. It just really leaves it. Just really leaves it dry. Look, the sponge popped out. I guess I'll just have to pop it back in and hope to continue here. Yeah, so I really wouldn't want to do this again because it's pulling my hair out. That's what it's doing. And it's drying out my hair. So I did the best I could. A lot of them hit pan except for the purple. Maybe I'll just use the rest on Halloween Day or whatever when I go out and do groceries and stuff like that. So yeah, so next week I'm going on vacation, a staycation. We're home. Usually my son doesn't come with us, but you know, we'll be out and about like we usually do for staycation. And I will see you the following week. All right. Look at my hands. Look at my hands. Bye.